Most bikes won't make it past 60K miles, but these five, they laugh at 200,000. Let's talk about the true iron horses of motorcycling. It's no surprise, the Gold Wing is the king of long distance. Riders report 300,000 plus miles with nothing but oil changes. The FJR is a sport touring beast. Reliable, shaft drive, and used by cops in Europe for a reason. It just doesn't quit. Budget ADV riders love this thing. The V-Strom 650 is simple, efficient, and hits 200K plus miles without blinking. Harleys are built for the long road. The Electroglide in particular, big V-twin torque and loyal owners who run them forever. It's fast, heavy, and rock solid. The Concours 14 is a sport tourer that often outlives the rider. Seriously. Honorable mentions? BMW R1200 RT, Honda ST1300, even the KLR 650, all with proven longevity. Want a bike that'll outlast your car? These are your best bets. Hit like, comment, Iron Horse, and subscribe.